Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. And in this tutorial, I just want to encourage the data analytics that are just starting, or those that have started and then they are feeling stuck or they are feeling left behind. They are not feeling encouraged, they are not feeling motivated. I just want to let you know that don't give up, because every data analyst expert that you admire, they've been in this situation. I myself have been there before, and I just want to encourage you in this video that you should not give up and you should continue. If you are just starting, I just want to share 3 tips with you that you can start your career, or you are just thinking about how to start. I just want to encourage you. So if this is your first time in this channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive every update that we post every week. And today's video is just simple but very powerful reminder for every data analyst, everyone in data analytics, whether you are a beginner, you are an expert, you are just starting, or you are thinking about to start. This video is a reminder and very powerful for you. First thing I want you to know is everyone you admire started somewhere. No experts were built in a day. Everyone you admire starts somewhere. So, and the truth is, one tutorial today can change your entire career. So the first myth that I just want to tell you is, the first thing that I want to tell you in this journey is the myth of being ready. The myth of being ready. So a lot of beginners delay starting because they feel they don't know enough. They think that you need to master, you need to be an expert in Excel, you need to be an expert in the data analytics tool, just as Power BI, SQL, Python, dashboard, storytelling, and all the likes. But you cannot pick everyone at once. You know what I want to tell you? The experts you admire today didn't start by knowing everything. They didn't start by knowing everything. They just took the step forward. They took their first step and they keep going. Yes, I took my first step and I keep going, and I still keep learning. I still keep learning about everything I need to be better in this journey. So you don't need to know everything before you start. The truth is, one tutorial today could change your entire career. So pick up that tutorial and start your journey, or pay for that tutorial you want to pay for and start your journey. The next things I want to let you know is small step leads to big growth. You don't have to start big. Start small. Start where you are. Start where you are. Start where you are. Start with what you have. From what I've learned from my mentor, Pastor Sam Adeyemi, you need to start from where you are. I read it in his book, that his book's title, Start with What You Have. Yes, start with what you have and start with where you are. Start small step lead to big things. So I always said it that learning data analytics is not a marathon. It's not a marathon you need to finish in one day. No, it's a journey. It's a journey. So it's a journey of small and consistent and disciplined step. So maybe you learn VLOOKUP today, tomorrow you learn how to create a bar chart in Power BI, or next week you understand select and statement in SQL. And slowly this tiny step, this small step begin to compound, and it begin to compound that your confidence grow, your skill grow, and opportunities start coming up. That is just how to start. So consistency is greater, and consistency matter a lot. It matter a lot. So you don't have to start big, you don't have to be big in something, you don't have to know it all. So start small. Start small, because data analytics, learning it is not a marathon you finish in one day. And the last step that I want you to know is, you need to is practical step. So if you are wondering where to start, just pick something new. For example, you can learn how to clean data in Excel. You can watch a beginner Power BI video. I have that in my YouTube channel. I have beginner or Power BI video that you can use to learn in my YouTube channel, and I've seen a lot of testimony on how this video has helped a lot of people. And also you can try different things. Try maybe you want to start with SQL, you want to explore Python. But one thing I will advise you, if you are just starting, start with Excel, because Excel is a universal tool for every company. Most of the company use Excel. You cannot escape from Excel. Excel is the grassroots of this journey, so you need to learn it very well. And if you want to know why Excel is important, I have a video on my channel that you can check on why, and I listed the important thing why Excel. I listed it there, why Excel is very important in your journey as a data analyst. Excel is very important. So just choose one, complete it today. Complete it and you've already won. If you choose one tutorial today, now just now pick one tutorial. It might be 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and you've already won. So because progress is made by moving, not by overthinking. You can't be progressive by thinking only. You need to take action. You need to take action. You can't be progressive by just thinking. You need to take action. So here is my own encouragement, that don't wait to feel ready. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Take one tutorial today, just one. That single lesson might be the start of a brand new thing in your brand new direction in your career. Yes. So if this video encourage you, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And if you need a personal tutor, just message me. You can message me on LinkedIn, or you can also put it in the comment section. If you need tutorial on how to start your data analytics journey, you can comment below. I have a lot, or exploit this channel. I have a lot of tutorial that can help you in your in your journey, whether you are just starting, or you are just or you feel stuck. I have a lot of tutorial that will help you to build your confidence as a data analyst and help you to grow in your journey as a data analyst. Put it in the comment section. Comment the tutorial that you need. Put it in the comment section, and I will see you on the top. Let's grow together, bigger and higher. Bye.